Hey everyone, what is going on? Doing a quick vlog of just some stuff that I've been working on that there's so many little pieces that I didn't think it would make for a good one single video. First thing was I've been starting to clean up the garage and stuff. Stopped over at my mom's house, found some old neon door panels, my old neon license plate. That one that I have up here, that should be from my Volvo. You know, got an armrest from Horizon. I hung up back here some other pieces from the Horizon that I had, the original steering wheel and one of the extra bezels that I had that I snagged from a junkyard, just kind of adding to the decor a little bit in here. I think I'm gonna do a video of trying to reorganize all this. I still want to get a compressor over here, and I want to modify my toolbox to fit under the counter here. So I want to get all that done. So some of the stuff that I've been working for is I'm waiting for parts. As you can see, I got this nice DNA Motors gold strut bar. More parts here. That Jeff from the forums, he went and made a final batch of his. I don't know if he has any left. If not, you're gonna have to try to make your own. As you can see, like this is the style I had in there, and this is, you know, what came out. I'll explain more as why that's not installed yet and why the old one's sitting here. But basically, I need new strut tops, top hats, mounts, whatever you want to call them, control arm mounts, because the Stratus is both. I also just got this in the mail. This is a 3.8 Myvec 6G75 valve cover. It's aluminum, and it is a little bit taller, but it won't matter for the front of the engine. But since it's aluminum, that should help my oil sealing issues. Anyone needs some Cirrus taillights? Those are also in my mom's garage, and I don't need them anymore. But I'm going to be putting that onto the car. Obviously, it's not going to say 3.8. I'm going to change it up, do something. I'm going to try to shave some of it. That'll be a video on itself. I ordered some hardware because in the back here, not sure, let me get a light. This rear seat delete, I don't know if you can see too well in here. I just use these little screws and washers. And I bought some angle iron because I'm going to make that four-sided. I'm going to put some angle iron on the bottom here, clean it up. I'll do a video about that. And I bought some more hardware like these little, you know, aluminum washer guys for like $8 for a 20-pack. I'm going to do that. We're going to do that, clean that up. I have to order the top. I have to order the top hats for this still. Those are on the way. Still got to get a steering wheel puller and order the other catch can that matches the Mishimoto one that's like the same size in black. I also thought about wrapping the roof in some carbon so that it kind of matches the hood. My idea is to get some high quality, like 40, 70, whatever, carbon vinyl. Clean the roof real nice. Get some of the cut tape, you know, that has like the thread in it. Lay it along this channel to here because the Stratus isn't square back here, just like, you know. So I'd follow the gutter back, pop the sunroof out, put the wrap on, try to cut it as nice as I can. See how that turns out. So if anyone has any tips on cutting vinyl, let me know. And also if I should do carbon or black. I'm thinking carbon. Could also do black. What else was there? Oh, this is what I'm going to do in this video real quick. I grabbed some more stainless hardware because originally last year when the rust got fixed, all the hardware that held the skirts on were not stainless. So they were all rusty, and I tossed them out. And my buddy Posa, who did all the work, He only put a few screws in just so it stayed on there, but as you can see, there's like no screws back here, which that's where he fixed, so he probably didn't want to drill into that. He got one here. I'll just have to go through and check, see where I can put a few in without ruining what he did. And I'm trying to get rid of these wheels. They're 5x100 Team Zidgen Super 6 17x7, like 48 offset. I need to get rid of these. I don't need them. They're taking up space. I have them on Facebook Marketplace if you're local to PA, Western PA. Come check them out. I also did finish the diffuser. Let me get a light down here. So, as you can see, I got a nice radius on there so that they all match. So it all looks uniform. Took the Dremel to them, took my time, cleaned them up nicely. They're just aluminum, so it's not too bad to do that. And it's basically where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of that stainless hardware in and go from there. It's pretty tight there on the driver's door. I already got one up front and the one here on the pillar. He already has one back here. It's actually pretty tight. So that should be good. He actually did all the driver's side, or the passenger side ones. He must have just ran out of hardware for the driver's side. Which, that was kind of the annoying side because every time I opened my door, you could hear the fiberglass creak. So, now that that's taken care of, I'm pretty happy about that. Also, let me dig it out of here real quick. I have 3 nitrous bottles, and I actually don't have a need for all 3 of them. So I'm selling the white one. It is a Nitrous Express one. Pretty sure it's empty. But I want to get rid of that. I want to get rid of those wheels. Clean up some space in the garage. And start getting to it. Don't have a whole lot left to get ready for the season. So, time to start cracking. First, I think the next video I'm going to be organizing the garage a little bit. Probably modifying the workbench and the toolbox to get where they need to go. So, hope you guys like this little update. If you're ever curious, I might do a video talking about my Volvo and my Neon build and my Horizon build. Just as a random video with pictures that I got. So, if you guys are interested in that, leave a comment below. Also, if you have any ideas of what I should wrap the roof, leave a comment below. If a bunch of people say put an American flag on it, I'm going to do it. When a bunch of people say do black or chrome or whatever, I'll probably do it. So, trying to get some feedback out of everyone. So, if anyone in Pittsburgh area is interested in 2 5x100 wheels or a nitrous bottle, let me know. So, that's pretty much it. So, like and subscribe. Till next time.